What is up, everybody? If you that don't know me, my name is Mr. Growit, and today I've got a topic video for you. In this video I'm going to assemble a 2 foot by 4 foot grow tent. Every grow tent should have instructions that come along with it, so make sure you're following the instructions, but for the most part, these 2 foot by 4 foot grow tents should be assembled just about the same. As you can see here, I have the pieces of the grow tent laid out. There are 6 different poles included, and then there are also end pieces, as well as the main cover of the grow tent. Let me pause it right here. So my camera actually cut out as I was filming this. So we're beginning here with a little bit already assembled. Anyways, as you can see, I assembled the bottom pieces first. Then I assembled some of the poles. It's actually not connected all the way at the top just yet. And then I basically slid the cover underneath. So the cover of the grow tent is actually on the bottom part there. So from here, I'll connect the top pieces. So you got a piece on each of the corners. And then after you attach all of those pieces onto the corners, you start to pull up the grow tent around the top there. You need to make sure the cover is actually unzipped entirely, or else you won't be able to pull over the grow tent. So as you can see here, I'm pulling over the grow tent, and it's pretty snug, so it takes a little bit in order to get it over there. But being able to put it on the bottom first and then kind of bring it over to the top, it just makes it much easier than it is assembling the entire frame and then trying to snug it over. So I pulled over the rest of the cover and zipped it up entirely. So here's what it looks like when it is closed. Alright, now I've unzipped it and you can kind of see the inside there. There's multiple ports all along the top and the bottom of different sizes depending on which grow tent you get. And then at the very top here, I'm putting the top bars in to hang the light. So this particular grow tent, the 2 foot by 4 foot, comes with 2 bars. They basically sit across from each other. And then there's a shot of what the grow tent looks like when it's complete. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I just want to do a real quick video showing you how to assemble this grow tent. By the way, this is my second YouTube channel if you haven't noticed it. This channel is going to be for lesser effort type of videos, I guess you can say. I spend a lot of time and effort on my main channel. That channel has close to 30,000 subscribers at this point, so it's growing like crazy. But I really feel like, the amount of time I spend to create videos, it kind of holds me back from getting information out to you guys. So I wanted to have this second channel so I can really pump out more content. And also it serves as a backup channel just in case something happens to my main channel. So if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. And there's a bell right next to the subscribe button. Click that because that'll notify you when I release a new video. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please click that thumbs up. And I will leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, peace.